are dark under eye circles and how can you improve their appearance? I'm going to explain the different causes of dark under eye circles, the different types of dark under eye circles, and give you some tips to improve their appearance. I am Dr. Adeline. Welcome to my channel, Brown Skin Derm, a live-in where I offer expert tips and advice to help you on your skincare journey. If you're new here, please click the subscribe button for weekly skincare videos. Today, I am talking about dark under eye circles. Now, they're a very common concern to so many people and can be cosmetically unappealing. They make you look tired or just prematurely ages you. So what are dark under eye circles, or periorbital hypomelanosis as we often call them in medicine? Well, dark under eye circles are not a medical condition in of itself, but the term is commonly used to describe symptoms associated with darkening of the under eye area, such as hypothyroidism and anemia. So it's still very important to get that checked out, not only for the cosmetic reasons, but for the possible associations that may be concerning. So there are many reasons why you can get dark under eye circles, and I'm going to highlight a couple of them. First one is genetics. Yes, it could all be in your genes. Dark under eye circles due to genetics is actually among one of the most notable reasons for this condition. Unfortunately, it's also difficult to treat when you have dark under eye circles due to genetics. But there are things that you can do to improve your appearance, and I'm going to discuss some of them. Just hang with me. The second reason why you may have dark under eyes is because of progressive aging. Yes, you just may be getting older. This is actually one of the major reasons or common reasons why people will have dark under eye circles. Now, there is a special pillar of soft tissue called the suborbicularis oculi fat. Over time, this pillar of soft tissue shrinks and descends, leading to a decrease in the natural volume of the under eye area and the creation of a shadow. It doesn't help that as we age, the delicate skin covering the soft tissue in this area loses collagen and elastin, which then leads to thinner skin and even more obvious volume loss and shadows. Now, as volume diminishes under the eye and the skin becomes even thinner, the deeper capillary or network of blood vessels becomes even more noticeable, which is why the under eye area appears even darker with age. The third reason why you may have dark under eye circles is straining your eyes. Straining your eyes doesn't only hurt your vision, but it can impact your under eye appearance too. What happens is when you struggle to see something and you strain your eyes, that network of blood vessels that I talked about enlarges and now shows through the thin skin in that area, giving off a bluish tinge that can make your under eye area appear darker. So if you find yourself straining to see, make sure that you get that evaluated, not only for your vision, but for the appearance of your under eye area. The fourth one is you are not getting enough sleep. So this is a very common cause of dark under eye circles, and I'm sure a lot of you can relate to it. Unlike age-related progressive volume loss, this can affect anyone who is severely deprived of sleep. So when you don't get enough sleep, the body produces cortisol to increase or give you a boost in energy. Now, this stress hormone can also cause blood vessels to dilate, increasing flow to your under eye area, causing more prominent looking dark under eye circles, giving off the appearance of puffy eyes and a baggy under eye area, which also ages your appearance. So the fifth reason is you are dehydrated. Loss of volume doesn't only happen with age, but dehydration as well. Water makes up about 60% of the human body. So if you're seriously dehydrated, your body's tissue will start to shrink, including the skin and most especially the thin, delicate tissue under your eyes. Now, if you do find that you do drink a lot of water, then perhaps it's the other beverages that you indulge in that could be blamed. High consumption of caffeine, alcohol, and other diuretics may lead to dehydration and require even more water to recover from. Now the sixth reason why you may have dark under eye circles is dermatitis or allergies. Considering how thin your under eye skin is, dermatitis from allergies, eczema, or even irritation from cosmetic products can cause rashes and itchiness to the delicate skin in that area. The resulting irritation coupled with the act of rubbing can lead to even more irritation, causing hyperpigmentation or darkening of the under eye skin. So these are just 6 potential causes of dark under eye circles, but lifestyle habits such as smoking, systemic conditions such as hypothyroidism or even anemia, to name a few, can lead to dark under eye circles. Because various factors can cause dark under eye circles, it is very important to identify what the underlying cause is in order to appropriately treat it. So not all dark under eye circles are the same. There are several types, and it's very important to know which type because there may be certain treatments that are more suitable for your dark under eye circles. So the first one is the pigmented dark circles. This type of dark under eye circles have a brownish or darkish hue to it, and they can be the result of excess melanin deposition or even distribution in the skin due to conditions such as chronic rubbing from things like allergies, atopic dermatitis or eczema or dry skin, as well as irritation from your skincare products and even genetics. Next, you have the vascular dark under eye circles. This is characterized by a more bluish or purple tinge or discoloration along with puffiness. This type is marked by the appearance of very thin visible veins which happen as a result of thinning of the under eye area skin and increased water retention in some cases. The third type of dark under eye circles is the structural type. Now, these are dark under eye circles that are merely the result of shadows that are caused by things such as anatomical structure. If you notice, some people have deep set eyes that cast a dark shadow. But you could also have laxity from fat loss underneath the skin in the under eye area, as well as wrinkles, bags, and just puffiness, which can give out the appearance of dark under eye circles. So this will be considered more structural. And the fourth type of dark under eye circles is the mixed type. Now, this type, as the name suggests, is a combination of the pigment, structural, and vascular types of dark under eye circles. For structural and the vascular under eye areas, in-office procedures such as dermal fillers and lasers can be much more effective in improving appearance. Now, for more pigmented dark under eye circles, topical brightening skin agents and chemical peels for that area can be very effective as well. For the mixed type, meaning that you have, the pigmented, vascular, or structural type of features of dark under eye circles, using these various modalities, the fillers, the lasers, the brightening agents, chemical peels, all this can be used in combination treatment to help improve the appearance of dark under eye circles. So here are my Derm Pro tips for improving the appearance of your dark under eye circles. Tip 1 is to go easy on the under eye area. And how can you go easy or be gentle around that area? If you have a condition such as atopic dermatitis or eczema, make sure you get that under control because these conditions lead to lots of rubbing, and the rubbing can lead to dark under eye circles. So you want to treat the underlying condition. When cleansing off makeup or applying skincare products, be careful not to apply lots of pressure to under eye skin so you don't break that thin network of superficial blood vessels in that area. If you think you're heavy-handed, use a skincare brush such as this one that I use by Anissa brushes. It's very lightweight and allows me to apply my creams and serums with a lighter touch. Next, you want to be very gentle in the skincare products that you apply to periorbital or eye skin. Make sure they're formulated to go on that area, especially topical retinoids that can be very, very irritating. Also, make sure that you are using cleansers or makeup removers that are specifically formulated for the eye area to reduce or minimize your risk of irritation. Tip 3 is to moisturize the area under your eyes because it's very delicate, it's prone to dryness as well. Use skincare products such as ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide to calm and plump and hydrate skin in the under eye area. Tip 4, treat underlying conditions like allergies. If you suffer from allergies and sinus congestions, it can prolong dark under eye circles. So controlling your symptoms and irritants can reduce things like under eye puffiness. Over-the-counter medications that you can speak to your doctor about include antihistamines like Zyrtec and Claritin. Next, get enough sleep. We've already talked about what happens when you don't get enough sleep. It leads to puffiness in the under eye area because that stress hormone cortisol can dilate vessels in the under eye area, worsening the appearance of dark under eye circles. So talk to your doctor about natural sleep aids such as melatonin, which can put you to sleep a lot faster. Get that beauty sleep, it's really a thing and it does work. And lastly, reconsider your diet. If you are overloading on salts, that could lead to increased water retention, which can show up as puffiness or bugginess in the under eye area. On the flip side, overconsumption of alcohol and caffeine can actually lead to excess water loss or can actually lead to dehydration, which can make your under eye area appear sunken and worsening the appearance of dark under eye circles. So neither extremes is a good thing. So that concludes part 1 of dark under eye circles. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about the skincare ingredients that you definitely should include in your skincare routine to brighten dark under eye circles and share some of my favorite under eye creams to take care of skin in that area. Thanks for watching. Leave all your comments and questions below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Bye.